National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Massac County, Illinois, southeastern Fulton County, Kentucky, Callaway County, Kentucky, western Marshall County, Kentucky, Carlisle County, Kentucky, Hickman County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, Graves County, Kentucky, northeastern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:44 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wycliffe to Fulton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Mesonet reported a 74 miles per hour wind gust at Fulton. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paducah, Murray, Mayfield, Metropolis, Benton, Fulton, Clinton, La Center, Bardwell, Wycliffe, Reedland, Lone Oak, Brookport, Barlow, Barkley Regional Airport, Linville, Fulgham, Sedalia, Lovelessville, and West Paducah. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 31 and 38. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 49. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following county: Mississippi, Missouri, and